Superior Parts Limited recently showcased their new bike section and new models of bikes. Let's check out what's new.
I'm all about the money, like broke life never know me. Me forever bossy, I'm all about the money. Like say I'm a Negro me, voluntary service and I'm all about the money. That I know the president, that I me. Every dollar have a picture of me, I'm all about the money. And the money all about me, the money all about me. No money, then go buy. Nobody yell me this, but I say
I just come down, you know, visit Jamaica. I need a little point A, point B. I mean, I was come by, so why not, you know, the people I'm come down, I would decide, so I gotta buy some bike. So, buy the one or today, maybe I come back tomorrow and get the next one, you never know. So we can have some fun in our island, you know?
It's a big day here and a sale going on. How you knew about what's going on here at Superior?
Well, I had a big craze on TV. My uncle them tell me about it, my cousin them tell me about it, so we decided to say, yeah, why not come down, buy some bike, come on the Superior side, buy some bike and just enjoy the island, you know what I mean?
The first time making a purchase here at Superior?
Yeah, well, the first time. I'm like what I go on. See? So everybody only can come check it out. Zhongjiang. You look good. Everything alright about it. See? Big up.
What do you think about the service here at Superior Parts?
Well, good price.
What exactly are you doing here today?
Shopping, plan for buying a bike, yeah. I'm dream bike still, you see me?
What do you like about this bike?
Right now, I look RR to me still, you see me?
Me in the country area in Portland, and bike is more effective gas-wise. And if you're a youth like me, a bike like this will be very effective. So that's the reason why. Yeah.
So you traveled all the way from Portland to come to Kingston here, Hagley Park Road, to get this bike?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. As you can see. No doubt.
Well, you don't know, we are trying to work with the economic times, and I know things tough, so bike I sell cheap, you come grab one. Yeah, man, some whole Zhongjiang, don't know. Safety first, you know. So we get a helmet too. Now go on easy, you see it? Big up Superior for put on a little thing, because you don't know nothing now go on.
The bikes that we sell is top quality. And if you're getting a top quality at a deal, there's no excuse to miss it. No excuse. And once you have the cash, we won't turn away. So no deal is turned away. We have a part sale going on now, up to 70% off parts, so you can still pass through.
Bike area has been renovated in the past 3 weeks. Most of our customers would have come by. It's really state of the art. The bikes are indoors. You can come in, look at the bike that you're interested in, and definitely pick a bike. And I mean, it's really state of the art. It's really nice. We realize that many customers keep coming to us asking for better prices, and the influx of customers was so much that we decided, hey, guess what? Let us just go out on a limb here and just provide. We have tons of bike here, and we just decided that we just need to get rid of some of them, put the customers on the road, make sure they're happy, and make sure everybody's happy, you know? People are here from literally 6 o'clock this morning, waiting for the sale to start, and from 8:30 when it began, it has been crazy, non-stop, even though there's tons of customers over there, crazy. But I mean, it's very good, and even the outstation, the branches, they are benefiting right now. That is Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Manlevel, Maypen, Old Harbour, and Portland. Right now it's crazy everywhere in Superior Parts, all across the island.
It's time for another healthy and delicious protein shake in this week's Premix with Lasco segment. For this week's Premix with the Lasco segment, we're going to show you how to make the Strawberry Good Shake. For the Strawberry Good Shake, we're going to use 2 scoops of strawberry yogurt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring, 1 banana, the Lasco strawberry food drink, 2 cups of V-soy, and 1 handful of ice. Now it's that time of the show, my favorite part of the show, where we check out the Predis Top 10 charts.
Look, y'all, all when we are party, hustling,
is okay. Love is okay.
I look a little serious, wonder if you show improve.
That's the echo when the grabber schema like Shabba Motherpot. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody's trapped, every pan a knock. Feel like the rims and the Cadillac.
You really have a nerve. My youth, your mouth and not yours. When you a call me name. For where you a call me name, sir. When you a call me name. For where you a call me name, sir.
I'm all about the money. Like broke life never know me. Me forever bossy, I'm all about the money. Like say I'm a Negro me. Voluntary service and me, I'm all about the money. That I know the president, that I me. Every dollar have a picture of me.
You go up everybody before second half. All when you buy like a ticket, you no stand a chance. You want your friend, them with pada dance. Me a strike, bill, no license. Them your pies, you stifle, you knock out a ties. You get up, you're
ready. Ajibongs to the world now.
To the dance floor, do the Ajibongs. To all the dance about everybody a bounce. Bounce, we a bounce 4 weeks at the month. Bounce. To the dance floor.
I'm in a salute, my friends, them need that. Enough of them lose them soul for gain the world. When I switch for the table turn. When you talk about boys, it marry up, dear one friend them. Me know a the Almighty send them.
Object bingo, another one bingo. Object bingo, can't do it up on the phone 'cause you don't know the thing. Object bingo, not chest metal limbo. Object bingo, object.
Anyhow, I don't beg for now. Weed is my best friend, and me no want see no next friend. Dog, weed is my best friend. Some boy where you talk and I lip, me not trust them. Weed is my best friend. You know, weed is my best friend. Weed and me best party, me best charge it. Right now it legal, no feds can charge me. Every day £6 in at the art.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Predis. I'm your host, Michaela Liana. Be sure to follow us on all social media at Predis Show. See you next week.
No believe in a running. Let me tell you about the Portmore youth them. Studio vibes, tell them. Me know you seeing some in a run. Put 100 of them, yo, me nah run. Tell them, don't try this man. Come on, we circle them ends and sing them like quicksand. Me no ass off and me nah run. Put 100 of them, yo, me nah run. Why? Don't try this man. Come me links real mad from New York to Brixton. Make them know me no runner. Me par with a brother named Stinger. One name Stunner. My war, you know one honor. Yo, man, we make your ends up like